means look at that boy. A couple of phrases that we like to use, our proverb that we like to use out here is trouble not set like rain, which basically means that unlike bad weather, where you often warned by dark clouds, when it comes on to trouble, most of the time you're not really warned. And next popular one that the guys like to use, the guys out here would like to use, you know, like the party guys, they'd be like, she come wine up on me, or the girl come wine up on me, which basically means that the girl came up dancing on him. But he would say, the girl come wine up on me. Okay. And next popular one, it's a little bit old time days, but I think it's pretty popular, is you damn linger head bud, which basically means you're stupid. Let me tell you again. Yo, Y-U, damn, D-A-M, laga, it's not linger, I mean laga head bud. L-A-G-G-A-H-E-A-D-B-U-D. So you damn laga head bud, which means you're stupid. A popular proverb that we like to use out here is, what sweet nanny goat have a running belly. Which basically means what tastes good to a goat will run his belly. Or in other words, things that seems good to you know can hurt you later. It's a proverb or a metaphor, you guys can kind of call it. And next popular one that that everybody likes to use is everything crisp, which means everything is okay. And next popular one is, you may be talking, like you and your friend having a conversation, and you tell them, you know, something funny or something juicy. Then when I say blouse and skirts, which basically means like, oh my god, or oh my gosh, or whatever. Blouse and skirts. And next up, you see it, which means do you understand? And next up, okay, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned a lot. What I'll be doing for you guys to make it a little bit easier, I'll be in the down bar, I'll be going through like every patwa phrase that I use and what the English meaning is, so you guys can better understand. Don't forget to subscribe to Jamaican makeup artist. As I said, she's having a contest right now, so you guys can check out her channel, youtube.com/user/Jamaican makeup artist, or you can just search for her in the search bar. Also check out Michi, GW, she's also one of my fellow Jamaican YouTubers. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave your comments down below. As I said, I'll be posting this as a video response to Jamaican makeup artist video in Patwa 101. Hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you soon. Bye.